Good morning, K2. How are you today? I'm so happy to be back here with you with a brand new week of learning. Guess what day it is? Today is Monday. That's right. And you know what day it was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. But today is the last day of January. Can you believe it? Do you know what month comes after January? February. That's right. Okay, come help me read the date. Today is Monday, January 31st, 2022. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. I have a little question. Do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel, disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel, disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? Do you know? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's a long sound, we mark it with a line. Let's look at our short vowel sounds today. Are you ready? Here we go. Look, they have a happy face on them. Read them with me. A, apple. E, elephant. What does the elephant say? That's right. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Super duper duper. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. The name of this letter is H. It makes it sound as in horse. Name. H says, the name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is C. It makes a sound K, as in cat. C says K, K, K. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound F, as in fox. F says super duper duper. You are amazing. Now it says up here, ABC 1, 2, 3, page 71. So let's get our ABC 1, 2, 3 book out. And let's open it up to page 71, right there. And let's make sure to write our name nice and neatly. And make sure not to write your name up here in the white. And probably your name doesn't go in the basement. The first letter is capital, goes all the way upstairs, but most of the other letters are going to stay downstairs. Make sure to write your name in the proper line. Okay, here we go. So it says, look at the letters at the beginning of each row. Say the name of each picture. Circle the pictures which begin with the consonant sound. Are you ready? Here we go. Ha. Say the words with me. Horse, car, hand. Does horse begin with the ha sound? Horse. Yes. Circle the horse. Car. Does car begin with the ha sound? Car. No, leave it alone. Hand. Does hand begin with the H sound? Hand. Yes. Circle the hand. Next one. L. Mitt. Leaf. Lamp. Did you say the words with me? Does mitt begin with the L sound? No! Leave it alone. Leaf. Does leaf begin with the L sound? Leaf. Yes, circle the leaf. Lamp. Does lamp begin with the L sound? Yes, circle the lamp. Next one. K. Cat. Banana. Camel. Did you say the words with me? Good. Cat. Does cat begin with the K sound? Cat. Yes. Circle the cat. Banana. Does banana begin with the K sound? Banana. No! Leave it alone. Camel. Does camel begin with the K sound? Camel. Yes. Circle the camel. Super duper work. Okay, next one. Flag. Flower. Key. Does flag begin with the F sound? Yes. Circle the flag. Flower. Does flower begin with the F sound? Yes. Circle the flower. Key. Does key begin with the F sound? Key. No! Leave it alone. Okay. And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.